Your house smells like smoke and you have tried everything. Candles, sprays, plug-in air fresheners. Nothing works because nobody told you the real reason smoke smell sticks around. And today, you are going to find out why. Big cleaning brands do not want you to know this. There's a $2 bottle sitting in your kitchen right now that can pull smoke smell out of your walls, your carpet, your couch, even your car. In hours, not weeks. You have been spending money every single month on products that only cover up the smell instead of destroying it. That stops today. Stay until the end because the last tip will shock you. Think about it for a second. You light a candle. The smell comes back an hour later. You spray air freshener. It just mixes with the smoke and makes it worse. You have probably spent $40, $60, maybe even more than $100 this year alone on sprays, plug-ins, and candles that do nothing but hide the problem. Some people get so desperate they call a professional odor removal service. Do you know what they charge? $200. Sometimes $300 for a single visit. For what? For a machine and a chemical you could buy yourself for a few dollars. The smoke smell is not just annoying. It gets into your clothes, it gets into your hair. Guests notice it the second they walk in the door, even if you cannot smell it anymore yourself. You light one more candle, you spray one more can, and deep down you already know it is not working. You're not imagining this. Smoke particles are sticky, they cling to fibers, to walls, to fabric, and regular cleaning products are not built to break that bond. That is exactly why you keep buying the same products over and over again, and they keep failing you over and over again. Meanwhile, there is a simple answer sitting in your pantry that costs less than your morning coffee. So why does nobody talk about this? Because the odor removal industry makes real money from you never finding out. Professional deodorizing services and specialty spray companies built entire businesses around expensive machines and fragrance chemicals, products that mask smell instead of neutralizing it. Masking keeps you coming back. Neutralizing would mean you never need to buy their product again. What I am about to show you is something cleaning professionals have quietly used behind the scenes for decades, while marketing pushed you toward pricier sprays and plug-ins instead. Only a small number of people ever bother to look past the fancy packaging and ask a simple question. What is actually happening at the chemical level when a smell disappears? Smoke odor is acidic and alkaline. At the same time, a strange mixed compound clinging to surfaces. Most air fresheners are simply perfume. They add a smell on top of a smell. They were never designed to cancel it out. The ingredient we are talking about today does something completely different. It reacts with the odor molecules directly and breaks them apart at the source. This is not some brand new discovery. It is old, boring, unglamorous chemistry that never needed a marketing budget because it already worked. Companies selling $15 sprays were never going to advertise a $2 alternative sitting on your own shelf. Once you understand this, you will never look at your cleaning cabinet the same way again. Here it is, plain white distilled vinegar. Yes, the same bottle sitting next to your salad dressing. It costs about $2, and most people already have one in their kitchen right now. Vinegar is acidic, and smoke odor molecules are alkaline. When they meet, they neutralize each other instead of just mixing together like perfume and smoke do. That is the entire secret. No fancy machine, no hidden formula, just simple chemistry that has existed forever. A professional odor removal visit can cost you $200, sometimes more if they bring in an ozone machine. Vinegar does the same neutralizing job for less than the cost of a fast food meal. Boiling a bowl of vinegar on the stove pulls smoke particles out of the air as the steam circulates through your rooms. Wiping walls and hard surfaces with a diluted vinegar solution breaks down the residue sitting in the paint. Leaving small bowls of vinegar in a smoky room overnight absorbs odor molecules directly out of the air while you sleep. This works on cigarette smoke, fireplace smoke, cooking smoke, even smoke smell left behind after a small kitchen fire. You do not need to buy a $50 odor eliminator spray that just adds another scent on top of the smoke. You do not need an ozone machine rental that costs $80 a day. This $2 bottle does the same job, and it does it without leaving behind a fake fragrance that fades by tomorrow. Once you see this working in your own home, you will wonder why nobody told you sooner. First, open every window you can in the smoky room to get airflow moving. Fresh air moving through the space helps carry loosened particles out while the vinegar works. Then, fill a bowl with plain white vinegar and place it in the center of the room. Leave it there for at least 4 hours, or overnight for a stronger smoke smell. Next, mix 1 part vinegar with 1 part warm water in a spray bottle. Lightly mist curtains, carpets, and upholstery, never soak them, just a light mist is enough. Then, wipe down hard surfaces, like walls, counters, and windowsills with a cloth dampened in the same solution. Do not use vinegar on unsealed wood or natural stone, since the acid can damage those surfaces over time. For fabric that cannot be sprayed like a mattress, sprinkle baking soda first, let it sit for an hour, then vacuum it up before doing the vinegar step separately. Next, For a really stubborn smoke smell in a car or small closed room, boil 2 cups of vinegar on the stove and carry the pot carefully through the space, letting the steam drift through the air for a few minutes. Finally, run a fan or open windows for another hour after treatment to clear out any last vinegar smell, which fades quickly on its own. A small tip here: always test any fabric in a hidden spot first, because some dyes react differently to vinegar. Another tip: never mix vinegar with bleach, since that combination creates dangerous fumes you do not want in an enclosed space. Follow these steps in order and do not skip the airflow step, because that is what actually carries the neutralized particles out of your home instead of just settling them back down. People who have tried this say the difference is night and day within the very first day. One person said their car smelled like a fresh cigarette every single morning for months, no matter what tree-shaped air freshener they hung from the mirror. After one vinegar treatment, the smell was gone by the next morning. Another person said they were about to pay a company $250 to treat their entire living room after a small fireplace mishap, and instead spent about $3 on vinegar and did it themselves in one evening. The before and after is honestly hard to believe until you experience it yourself. Walking into a room that used to make guests wrinkle their nose and now it just smells clean, like nothing ever happened. As long as you repeat the treatment every few weeks in heavily smoked spaces, the results keep the smell from building back up again. Some people say a thorough vinegar treatment on furniture and carpet keeps smoke smell away for months at a time. This is not some trend that disappears next week. This is basic chemistry, and it will work exactly the same way 10 years from now as it does today. If this saved you money today, hit like right now so more people stop wasting cash on sprays that do not work. Subscribe, because next time we are exposing another cheap kitchen item that replaces something expensive you have been buying for years. Before you go, here is one last tip. Add a few drops of vinegar to your laundry rinse cycle when washing smoky clothes, and the smell will not come back even after the clothes dry. You do not need $200 services. You do not need fancy machines. You just needed to know the truth. Now you know it, and you can never be talked into paying full price for this again.